Indian troops in their unabated acts of state terrorism martyred 12 Kashmiris during the last month of November. According to the data issued by the research section of Kashmir Media Service today, of those killed, 5 were martyred in fake encounters and in custody. Indian troops, paramilitary and police personnel arrested 78 people, mostly youth, activist students and a woman under Black Law Public Safety Act and Unlawful Activities Prevention Act in 190 cordon and search operations in the territory. All Parties Hurriyat Conference has appealed to the international community to play its role for the immediate release of Kashmiri detainees languishing in different jails of India and occupied Jammu and Kashmir. The APHC, expressing grave concern on the continued Indian state terrorism and killings in the occupied territory, said that Indian Army, paramilitary and police personnel are violating human rights and international law with impunity. 3 members of a family were killed and 2 others were injured in a road accident in Katwa district. A private vehicle fell into a deep gorge. 3 members of a family were killed on the spot. 2 injured persons were rescued and they have been shifted to the government hospital. Unmoved by the venomous criticism of Hindutva Brigade, Israeli Nadav Lapid said he stands by his remarks as he knows how to recognize propaganda disguised as a movie. Lapid said making bad movies is not a crime, but the Kashmir Files is crude, manipulative and violent. Indian journalist Ravish Kumar warned that future journalists will have to do dalali if people don't fight against the slavery of Godi media. According to Kashmir Media Service, dalali literally means brokerage, is often used as a derogatory word for people catering to interest powers under the garb of their professional responsibilities. Ravish Kumar appealed to the people of India to continue supporting journalists when there is threat to democracy in India.